Hello, today we are going to dive into moving logs from analytic table to an auxiliary one. As you may already know, this can result in massive cost savings where analytic table costs around £4 per gigabyte ingested, whereas auxiliary one costs £0.12 per gigabyte. Just so you know, this is not an officially documented method by Microsoft, and it works only for the tables that use data collection rules. At the same time, these are typically the most expensive tables like Syslog, CommonSecurityLogs, or WindowsEvents. We'll divide the process into two parts. Create a new aux table based on the existing table schema. In my case, I'm creating a new Syslog table and then amending the data collection rule so that logs are sent to a new table instead of the original one. Now let's jump into the Azure and create the table first. You can use the script provided on my GitHub page. Just make sure to update the resource parameter. The script is a modified version of the originally created by this legend, so big thanks to you. All that's left is to run the script into the CLI. During deployment, you'll be asked a few questions about the source table, destination table, type of the table, and retention period. After a short wait, the new table will appear in your Log Analytics workspace ready to use. The final step is to update the data collection rule to route logs into the new table. To do this, go to your DCRs, select the DCR you want to modify, click Export Template, then choose Deploy and Edit Template. This will give you a JSON file to work with. For Syslog, you can copy the template provided in the GitHub page. Just make sure to change the following parameters: resource group, workspace name, subscription ID, region and location, and DCR name. And once your JSON is updated, click on the Save, then Review and Create. If there are no deployment errors, wait about 30 minutes and your changes will take effect. All your Syslog data will now land to the new syslog_cl auxiliary table we've created earlier. And that's it for this video. Now you know how to move logs into the new auxiliary table. Hope that helps.